K. Ramamohan Naidu.
Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to speak in 0 hour. Sir, 150 kilometers of NH16, which is the Chennai-Kolkata highway, passes through my constituency of Srikakulam. And I would like to, with a lot of respect, pay tributes to the previous Prime Minister, Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, who has envisioned the Golden Quadrilateral project, sir. At that point of time, the 2-lane highway was made into 4-lane highway, which has given a huge boost to the Indian economy and the trade and travel and the public at general. Sir, right now, the 4-lane project has already happened at that point of time. Now the 6-lane project is happening, and it's happening in bits and pieces, sir. And especially in my constituency, out of the 150 kilometers, only 30 kilometers has been commissioned, and it's also been coming to an end. I would request for the, my request to the Honorable Minister of Road Network is that the rest of the remaining 120 kilometers, which is from Narsanapeta to Ichapuram, also be taken up as a priority and finish the 6-laning, sir. In addition to this, 30 seconds, I'll finish, sir. In addition to this, there are certain points on this highway, because it dissects the villages on its way. There is a lot of movement of public, especially school children who go from one side to the other. They have become accident-prone points, sir. And at these points, there is a requirement for underpasses, and according to the technical terms of the highways, they commission certain bridges also. So these are the points I want to mention, sir. Munasapeta, Kondamma Temple Road at Singapuram, Gunduvillipeta, Tamarapalli, Jaduru, Gatlapadu, Pakivalsa, Adandra Vidhi at Tekkali, Subhadrapuram, Lattigam, Kottagraharam, Ramakrishnapuram Junction, Mamidipalli, Sunnadevi, Kobbaruru, Neelavati, Makanapalli, Boragam, Baliyaputtuga, Patrapada Junction, Padmatula, Makarampuram, Idupuram, Bellupada connecting road. These are some of the important points where accidents keep taking place day in and day out. So I would request the Honorable Minister also to look into these places and commission the required underpasses at these things, and also the 120 kilometer also to be made into 6 lanes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.